Hey guys, my name is Brittany and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be reviewing the Conspiracy palette. I will do some live swatches for you and then I'm going to show you how I got this look, so stay tuned. At the top of the palette we have Ranch, a beautiful creamy white metallic. Next is My Pills, a light pink matte. Tanacon, a light brown nude matte. And Diet Root Beer, a rich brown matte. Next is Just a Theory, a light pink metallic. And Spiraling, a deep gray metallic. Starting on the second row, we have Conspiracy, a light green metallic, and Pigment, a bright pink matte. Food Videos, a bright yellow matte. Trisha, a deep pink metallic. Cheese Dust is a rich orange matte. And Flaming Hot, a light red matte color. The bottom row consists of What's the Tea, a teal blue matte color. Diet Cola, a bright silvery metallic. Not a Fact, a rich purple matte. Sleep Paralysis, a dark silver metallic. Illuminati, a deep green metallic. And My Rides Here, a black matte. And sorry guys about the lights. I did not realize how bright they were until I was going through and editing this video. So for my first transition color, I wanted to dip into Diet Root Beer. Usually I would do my eyes first because this Conspiracy palette does have quite a bit of fallout. But because I was filming, I did my foundation first. Anytime that you have a shadow that you're using your foundation first, I personally think going in and packing on the color on the outer corner right above your crease and then dragging that color inward is going to help not only to blend everything out really well, but to decrease your amount of fallout. So I start off with windshield wiper motions going back and forth very softly and then going in with little circles just to help build that color up and take it upwards towards my brow bone. I'm just going back and forth and really going over the color to make sure that I have a good shade and that it's all blended out. Then I went in and added some NYX glitter glue to my lid and I waited until I got a tacky base. This is one of my favorite bases that I've used for metallic colors. I think that not only does it help make it stay all day, but it helps make that metallic pop a little more than it usually would. Next, I went in with a flat shader brush and I dipped into Conspiracy, this beautiful light green metallic. And I am just first dragging it along my eye gently all the way from the inner corner to the outer third of the crease. I'm doing this to ensure that it is sticking to that base and that it is popping just a little bit more than it normally would. Making sure to get the color onto the base is my secret to keeping the metallics bright. As you can see, I am pulling it right above my crease because I do have deep set eyes. This will help to open up my eyes a little bit more. Next, I went in with Illuminati, this rich green metallic, and I'm going to put it right on the outer third of my crease. I don't want to go too far in because it would take away from the Conspiracy, and once you put dark on, it's hard to brighten it back up again. So I'm being careful just to pull it right towards the middle. After that, I wanted to go in and just pack on a little bit more color because it wasn't as dark as I needed it after I had put the conspiracy down. And then you'll see that I'm just taking my finger and I'm going to clean up any fallout that I see. I do this a lot whenever I do my foundation first. I find that it works better than a brush. Whenever I use my brush on my foundation and powder, sometimes it'll leave like a little mark right up under my eye. And I was definitely trying to avoid that. It also helps to shape because whenever you're looking down and then you look back up, sometimes it doesn't look the same. Next, I tapped into spiraling. I thought by adding this color right on the outside above my crease would help to deepen up the top part, and I really like how it turned out. I did the exact same thing as I did for Diet Root Beer, where I pack on the color on the outside and then gently with circular motions, I'm pulling it towards the inner corner. This is not only going to help to blend the colors, but it makes it not so harsh on that one spot. And the goal is just to make my eye look a little bit bigger. And then I take my finger again and reshape it. Like I said, for deep set eyes, it is really hard because when you're looking into a mirror, sometimes when you look up, it looks completely different. So ensuring that that shape is perfectly round was definitely important to me. Next, what you can't see is I went back in and added a touch of ranch right into the inner corner of my eye just to brighten everything up and finish off the look. And then I took all of the colors and added it right at my waterline to round out my eye. Okay guys, so this is how the finished look turned out. I would never usually wear greens, but I love how bright this made my eyes look. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and want to leave me some feedback, put a comment down below, give me a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe on your way out. Thanks.